I wanted to make this video because I have been dry brushing wrong my entire life, and I didn't really realize that until I went to start making this contour serum and really studied the lymph system and learned about how your lymph is filtered and where it comes from being blocked. So how do you open up the channels so that you get that full movement? And so I had been telling people that you just dry brush from your feet up to your heart, which is okay, but it's kind of wrong. And that's not necessarily how all of these famous lymph massage artists are going to be getting really good results. So I learned this from our body serum, and so I'll share just a few things with you. So 3/4 of your body is going to drain to your left armpit, and 1/4 of your body, so your right torso, is going to drain to your right armpit. So this is like your sewage system for detox. It's great for the immune system. You're flushing out lots of toxins and waste. So it's a really great thing to incorporate into your routine 2 to 3 times a week. You want to use a natural bristle. So something that's made from a plant is really great. Ours is made with sisal, which we love. And you want to make sure that you're using the full brush. So you're not really using the sides. You want a flat, even amount of pressure. I dry brush in the evening. I don't dry brush at the same time I use like our serum. I will do it at night right before the shower. If it's morning time and I do it, I do make sure that I'm doing it a lot faster. At night, I like to go a little more methodical, and that kind of helps to calm the nervous system. So over brushing is worse than under brushing. It can create inflammation and can actually block the channels and flow. So you want to do it with a very, very light pressure. You're not digging into the skin. It's very, very light. If you're pregnant, you're going to want to avoid the stomach with the brush, but you can still use your hands and you'll follow that same digestive track. If you ever are short on time, I would recommend first off doing this 2 to 3 times a week. But if you're ever short on time, you're going to want to concentrate on the armpits, the groin, and the abdomen. And you can do that in maybe like 2 minutes. The full routine takes about 7 minutes, and I do it right before I hop in the shower. When I shower, I'm usually only washing the areas that really need washing. So underarm, groin, different areas, feet, and other areas like arms, abdomen, legs. I'm really just letting like the soap run over so you can rinse the dead skin cells off, but you want to leave your natural oils. And if you're really brave, you can finish with cold water.